Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in the session of 8th Standard Mathematics. The topic is Division of Polynomials Part 2. In this session, we will discuss on the practice set 10.1. Friends, Division of Polynomials Part 2. In this previous session of this topic, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter, and those are introduction to the polynomial, degree of a polynomial, then to divide a monomial by monomial, to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Today in this session we are going to discuss with the practice at 10.1, which is based on the above subtopics. So friends, let us start with this practice at 10.1. Problem number 1 from this. Divide, write the quotient and the remainder of this one problem. First problem is 21m square divided by 7m. Here the solution. Friends, you could see that 21m square divided by 7m, it is given. So the division could be carried out in this way. This 21m square is the dividend and this 7m is the divisor. So 7m should be multiplied by which? So you will getting 21m square. In the explanation part you could see in the box that is written 3m. So 3m here will be the quotient. So the product of 7m and 3m gives you 21m square, that is written here. In the division part you could see 21m square. It is the dividend. Below that 20 quotient will be equal to 3m and that of the remainder is 0. Let us consider the second problem, that is 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Friend, here it is given that 40a square minus divided by this minus 10a. It is given. So the division is carried out in this way. 40a square, which is a dividend, minus 10a is a divisor. So in the explanation part you could see that minus 10a, which is a divisor, multiplied by what quantity? Therefore you are getting 40a square, and that answer you are getting is minus 4a square. So in the box it is written this minus 4a square will now become a quotient. Therefore minus 10a into minus 4a square, that is a 40a square. Therefore the product of these two will be written below the dividend. So 40a square minus 40a square, that the result is 0. So friends, you are getting that quotient is minus 4a square and that of the remainder is 0. Third one, minus 48p4 divided by minus 9p square. Friends, it is given that minus 48p4 is divided by minus 9p square. So the division could be in this way. So here you can see first half is the division carried out, second half is the explanation. So we'll write minus 48p4 as a dividend and minus 9p square as a divisor. In the explanation part you could see minus 9p square into what quantity, that gives you minus 48p square. So it will become 48 upon p4 upon 9p square. So as here p square get cancels and you are getting division, that is 16 upon 3. So in the box it is in as 16 upon 3. Minus 48p4. This product minus 48p4 is written below the dividend. So the subtraction of these two will be 0, which is a remainder. So you can write that the quotient is 16 upon 3p square and the remainder is 0. Friends, here you can see that fourth problem, 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m raised to cube. It is given that 40m raised to 5 is divided by this 30m cube. The division will be in this way, that is 40m raised to 5, which is a dividend, and 30m cube is the divisor. That is written in the division part. In the explanation part you could see that the 30m cube is multiplied by which number, so that you are getting 40m raised to 5. So in the box you could see that is a 4 upon 3m raised to square, and this is the divisor. So the product of this 30m raised to 3 into 4 upon 3m raised to 2 will be 40m raised to 5. So below this dividend 40 m raised to 5, we can write 40 m raised to 5 subtraction, that will be 0 as a remainder. So here you are getting this quotient is equal to 4 upon 3 m square and that remainder as a 0. Friends, let us consider the next problem, fifth one. Into bracket 5x cube minus 3x square bracket complete divided by x raised to 2. Friends, here it is given that 5x cube minus 3x square in the bracket it is divided by 5 divided by simply x square, which is a monomial. The division is like this. Here 5x cube minus 3x square, which is a dividend, is a polynomial. It is divided by this x square, which is a divisor. First half you could see the division that is carried out. And for x square is multiplied by what? You are getting 5x cube. It is a 5x that is given in the box in the explanation part, first step. So 5x will be the first term of this quotient. So 5x into x square, that is 5x cube, that is written below the first term of the dividend, and the result is 0, 5x cube minus 5x cube. Next term from the dividend is minus 3x square, that is taken. Now second step in the explanation will be x square is multiplied by what? So you are getting minus 3x square. The result is minus 3, it is written in the box, and that minus 3 is the second term of the quotient. So x square into minus 3, that gives you minus 3x square, that is written in the division below the minus 3x square of the dividend. So the result is 0. The subtraction of both will be 0. So you can write here, friends, that the quotient is 5x minus 3 and that of the remainder is 0. Now let us consider the problem number 5. 6. 5 we have completed. Now 6. See the 6. Into bracket 8p cube minus p square, that is divided by 2p square. Friends, here we could find that 8p cube minus 4p square, which is a dividend, it is divided by 2p raised to 2, given thing. So the division will be in this way, it can be shown. Division is the first half, you could see that one, and second half you could see the explanatory part. So here 8p cube minus 4p square, it is dividend and divided by this 2p square, which is a divisor. In the explanation part, two steps we have to carry here. In the first step you can find that a 2p square is multiplied by what? So you are getting a 8p cube. In the box you could see 4p as the divisor. It is the first term of the divisor, that 8p cube, the product. So subtraction of these two will be 0. The next term from the dividend is minus 4p square, that we'll consider now. The second step we could see that 4p square is multiplied by what number? So you are getting a minus p raised to 2. So minus 2 is the answer, that is second term of this divisor. So 2p square minus 2 multiplied, the answer is minus 4p square, that will write below that. So the remainder is 0. So you can write here that quotient is equal to 4p minus 2, whereas the remainder is 0. Friends, let us see problem number now 7. Into one bracket 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 is divided by 2y raised to 2. Friends, here it is given as 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 is divided by 2y raised to 2. So the division that is carried is in this way, and the explanation part is shown in the other half. Friends, here you can see that 2y raised to cube plus 4y square plus 3, which is the dividend, and divisor is 2y raised to 2. The first step will be 2y square is multiplied by what? So you are getting a 2y cube. The answer will be y, that is written in the box, and that y is the first term of this quotient that is taken over there. So 2y cube divide minus 2y cube, both get cancelled. 0 is you are getting as a result. Now next two terms, that is 4y square plus 3, that is taken for the next step. Now 4y square we have to get. So second explanation you could see 2y square is multiplied by that what number? So we are getting a 4y square. The answer is 2, and that 2 will become the second term of the divisor. So 2y square into 2, that is 4y square, written possible. So here you will get that quotient is equal to y plus 2 and remainder as 3. Let us consider the next problem, and that is problem number 8, that is 11x raised to 4 minus 14 x square plus 7x is divided by 7x cube. Friends, here you could see that this 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube, we have to carry this division. So it could be like this, 21x raised to 4 minus 14x cube plus 7x divided by 7x cube. In the explanatory part, you could see that only 7x raised to 3 into 3x, that will be 21x fourth. So you can see here that 7x cube is multiplied by 3x, so in order to have a 21x fourth, we'll write that 3x as divisor and 21x fourth as a subtractive part. So 21x fourth minus 21x fourth get cancels, and next minus 14x square that is taken below plus 7x. This will be the remainder, since the divisor is divisor is 7x raised to cube, and here the first term that you are getting is x square. So further division is not possible. So it could be ended. Friends, here you will get that 6x raised to 5 minus 4x 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. So friends, the division is like this: 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. In the first step, 2x square is multiplied what, so you are getting a 6x raised to 5, that will be 3x square, which is the first term of the quotient. So below you can write 6x cube get cancelled 0. The next term should be taken for the second step, minus 4x fourth plus 8x square plus 2x square. The second step is 2x square is multiplied what term, so we are getting a minus 4x raised to 4. So minus 2x square is the term that we can write in the quotient minus 2x square. The product of these two we are getting a minus 4x raised to 4. Both will get cancelled, and what get at the subtractive part is 8x cube plus 2x square. So this third explanation part will be 2x square is multiplied by what, so we are getting a 8x square, that is a 4x. This 4x will become the third term of the quotient. So 8x square, below that 8x cube we can write, and what left after the subtraction is 2x square. 2x square is multiplied by what, so we are getting a 2x square as a product. So 1 is the answer, it is written in the box, that 1 will become the fourth term of the quotient. So 2x square minus 2x square, the remainder is 0. So friends, here you will get that quotient is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1, and the remainder is 0. So friends, let us 5m cube. Here you can see that this 25m fourth minus 15m square plus 10m plus 8 is divided by 5, it is given 5m cube, it is given. So the division will be like this: 25m raised to 4 minus 15m square plus 10m plus 8, it is dividend, and 5m square as m cube as a divisor. In the explanatory part, you could see 5m cube into what will be 25m raised to 4. So the 5m is the first term of this quotient. So 25m fourth and 25m fourth get cancelled. What left in the next is minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. This 5m is multiplied by what, so you are getting minus 15m cube. That is the minus 3 in the box. That minus 3 will become that second part of this quotient, second term of the quotient. So you will getting that minus 15m cube both get cancelled, and what left is 10m plus 8, which is your remainder. Further division is not possible. So friends, quotient is equal to 5m minus 3, and the remainder is 10m plus 8. So friend, what we have discussed till now in this session, we have discussed on the problems that are based on the following subtopics of this chapter, that is to divide a monomial by monomial and to divide a polynomial by monomial. That is problems from the practice set 10.1. Friends, will you try these problems? Divide and write the questions and the reminders. Number 1, 4a cube minus 10a square plus 5a divided by 2a. X raised to 6 plus 7x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4 divided by x square. 4 m fourth n fourth minus 8 m cube n fourth plus minus 4xy divided by 2xy. Fifth one, 9m raised to 5 plus 12m raised to 4 minus 6m square divided by 3m square. Friends, till now we have discussed all the problems from the practices 10.1. Revise those problems and you will feel it to be easy. Friends, you should not forget the famous words by Jackson. Set your goals high and don't stop till you get there. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends and press the bell icon. With these words, I would like to say thank you.